beautiful vacations time because what did you hear the sunny days is awesome today in Sesame Street City. We done made it. Somebody gonna play from Maripi and Pulsing. So Maripi, this is beautiful. The time is here in City Sesame Street. Yeah, Pulsing, what is doing here? Oh, hello, Maripi Pulsing. What is doing here? Hi, Big Bird. Hi, Big Bird. Okay, what is doing here? Somebody you have to play now. Also, boy, somebody came. Says awesome, Big Bird. Yay, come on. I got to hear the playing. Woo! Yay! Oh, ha, ha, ha. I'm very hungry. I'm hungry to the chicken. Alright, kids, what happened to the gamings? Yeah, Big Bird? What is your favorite game, Big Bird? My game is the baseball. The baseball? Okay, sister. Okay, kids, I'm going to take the home. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Oh, hello, Big Bird. And you hear the funny? Oh, yes, Nuffy. What is happening you? Okay. That's coming you to home? Yes, Nuffy. Bye, Big Bird. Bye. Right. I love it. Beautiful the sunny days and summertime. I got you, Big Bird. Oh no, what is doing, Wario? I go miss house. Didn't be hungry. No, Wario, no, is he hungry? It's my beautiful all-stars from Sesame Street. Hey! Oh? That's not fast, Wario. What's here, my friend, Big Bird? Well, Maripi, this is beautiful. This is for Big Bird. It's so stupid. But this all starts in 1969, the Children's Television Workshop and PBS. I know, Wario. I caught you the fighting. Let us die! Is this escape, Maripi? Yes, Big Bird. Haven't you saved me? Alright, Maripi, come on. Yep. Oh, Big Bird is very love you. Oh, thank you, Maripi. Thank you to say. Oh.